Hello, here is the storyline of episode 28. At the beginning of this episode, Yeojin tells Jingu about her plan to make Hana her daughter. Initially, Jingu agrees with Yeojin's plan and Jingu even tells Yeojin that Hana will definitely be very happy to help Yeojin. But then Jingu withdraws his support for Yeojin's plan when Jingu finds out that Yeojin is not planning to adopt Hana but to make Hana a replacement for Yeojin who has died. Yeojin wants Hana to take Yeojin's place. Jingu disagrees because what Yeojin plans is a fraud. Jingu understands that Yeojin wants to protect Incheon, but what Yeojin will do if give a fake life to Hana? Jingu is worried about what will happen if one day Hana finds out that Hana is not Yeojin's biological daughter. Jingu is worried that if the truth is revealed, it will not only be Hana but also Incheon who will be hurt. Then here Yeojin acts selfishly by saying that Hana's function is a shield for Incheon, and Yeojin swears that Hana will never find out the truth. But very selfishly, Yeojin says that she will deceive Hana at least until Incheon is 20 years old. But actually, she also still doesn't know what she will do to Hana after Incheon is 20 years old. Yeojin really begs Jingu to help her to make Hana to be Yeojin, and if Jingu doesn't want to do it, she will order Secretary Chang to help her. At that time, Jingu still hasn't given an answer to Yeojin. He still doesn't know whether he should follow Yeojin's order or not. Then Jingu asks Bangwol's opinion about lying for the sake of goodness. Bangwol initially says that lying is not good, but if the lie is done for someone's good, then it doesn't matter. That afternoon, Myungji bumps into Jaesuk in the apartment building, and how shocked Myungji is after finding out that Jaesuk lives in the same apartment building as Seong and Jingu. Myungji even accuses Jisuk of using Hana to take revenge on Seong. Myungji accuses Jisuk of ordering Hana to seduce Jingu and steal Jingu from Seong. Therefore, Myungji wants Jisuk to control Hana, because if not, then Myungji would publish an article about Hana seducing the CEO of Yosung Tour, Jingu. Jisuk does not waver. He even threatens Myungji back by saying that the article about Hana is no more interesting than the article about Seong's ex-boyfriend who used to live in the same house as Seong in New York, now lives right next to Seong's apartment unit. Hearing the threat makes Myungji very angry. Myungji even contacts Seong and tells Seong to move out of the apartment. But Seong refuses. Seong tells Myungji that Jisuk has no intention of taking revenge on her. Even Jisuk doesn't care about her. Seong also tells Myungji about her annoyance with Jingu and Hana, where Jingu always defends Hana. Jingu was even present at Hana's parents' memorial service the other day. Myungji, who ran out of patience, comes to the company. She sees Hana and Jingu chatting, and that makes her even angrier. So suddenly Myungji beats Hana with a handbag brutally so that Hana's face is injured. Luckily, Yeojin and Jingu come so Myungji couldn't beat Hana anymore. After the commotion ends, Yeojin wants Myungji to respect Hana because just as Myungji loves Seong, she is sure that Hana there is something loves Hana. Yeojin tries her best to tell Myungji that Myungji just misunderstood the relationship between Hana and Jingu. But Myungji gets even angrier because Yeojin seems to be defending Hana and not Seong. Even though Seong is Yeojin's family who has the same blood as Yeojin, where blood should be more valuable than anything else. Hearing Myungji's words makes Yeojin agree that nothing is more important than blood ties, so she will do anything to make Incheon, who is her grandson, a return to her. Then Yeojin orders Myungji to apologize to Hana, but Myungji refuses. Myungji even says that Hana had a bad character because Hana doesn't have parents. Then Myungji says that what she did this time was just a warning to Hana. If in the future Hana acts up again, then she will not remain silent. Hana, who heard the threat from Myungji, is not afraid. Hana says that this is also the last time she was silent, and if in the future the same thing happens again, then she would sue Myungji. Myungji, who always feels right, almost slaps Hana, but fortunately Jingu prevents it from happening, and once again Jingu sides with Hana. The problem that befell Hana is used by Yeojin to convince Jingu again so that Jingu would help her. Yeojin tells Jingu that Hana would not accept bad treatment if Hana becomes Yeojin. Therefore, if Jingu cared about Hana, then Jingu had to help her carry out her plan. Jisoo, who had just found out what happened to Hana, orders his assistant to immediately take legal action and do whatever it took to sue Myungji. At the end of this episode, Hana tells Jinggu that she understands about Seong misunderstanding her. Therefore, in the future, she hopes Jinggu will not be involved with her anymore. But Jinggu says that he cannot not be involved with Hana. Okay everyone, that's the storyline. Thank you for watching my video.